Welcome back to another quick guide today. We will walk you through iCloud PC tutorial. Here's a step-by-step tutorial on using iCloud on Windows PC. First, turn on your Windows PC and make sure to connect to the internet. Open your web browser like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. Go to the official site of Windows iCloud Downloader. Then download the iCloud for Windows installer. Once downloaded, locate the file in your Downloads folder and double-click it. Follow the installation prompts. After installation, restart your PC if prompted. Open the iCloud for Windows app from the Start menu. Sign in with your Apple ID password and complete two-factor authentication if required by checking your iPhone or iPad. In the iCloud window, choose what to sync, like iCloud Drive, Photos, Mail, Contacts, Calendars, or Bookmarks. Now open the File Explorer. You'll now see iCloud Drive and the left sidebar for quick access. To upload files, drag and drop them into iCloud Drive. They'll sync with all your Apple device. With this setup, you can store files in iCloud Drive, sync and view photos in the iCloud Photos folder, access bookmarks across browsers, keep mail, contacts, and calendars updated. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.